Hey, beautiful soul. Stop whatever you're doing. Put your phone down for 5 seconds and just breathe with me. In through your nose, slow, deeply. Hold it and let it go through your mouth like you're releasing something you've carried 4 years. One more. Deeper this time. Good. Now, stay with me. Did you feel that tiny spark behind your eyes? That soft opening in the center of your chest? It's that quiet hum that just moved through your whole body? That's not imagination. That's not caffeine. That's last night, still rippling through every single one of your cells, while the entire planet slept. The purest, highest frequency wave of energy we have felt in decades moved across every country, every city, every bedroom, every hospital room, every prison cell, every forest. No thunder, no flashing lights, no emergency broadcast, just a silent, loving, unstoppable river of crystalline light pouring straight from the heart of the universe. And if you are here, right now, listening to my voice, you didn't find this video by accident. Your higher self dragged you here. Your soul hit play the second you needed to hear this. This message is for you. Let's talk about what actually happened and what it means for the rest of your life. Starting today, your entire energy system is like a smartphone that's been running the same old operating system since the day you were born. Last night, the universe pushed the biggest, most life-changing update you will ever receive. And it did it in the background while you were sleeping. Your soul accepted the terms and conditions without even waking you up. Because your soul has been waiting lifetimes for this exact moment. The download completed sometime between 2 and 5 a.m. Your physical body, your emotions, your mind, your entire reality. They're all installing it right now. That's why some of you woke up crying happy tears with zero story attached. That's why some of you woke up buzzing with electricity, like you could run 10 miles. That's why some of you opened your eyes this morning and heard one clear sentence in your head. It's time. No more waiting. That sudden knowing about the job you have to leave. That crystal clear feeling that a certain person no longer belongs in your future. That creative idea that literally won't shut up. That random surge of courage to finally start the thing you've been terrified of. That deep, unexplainable peace even though nothing on the outside has changed yet. That's the new software running. You might feel spacey, emotional, exhausted, euphoric, irritable, or all of them in the same 5 minutes. Completely normal. You are literally upgrading your entire operating system while still walking around. In 3D life, be extra gentle with yourself for the next few days. Drink twice as much water. Sleep when you're tired. Say no to anything that feels even slightly heavy. If you've always known you were here for something bigger. If you cry at songs, movies, sunsets. If you walk into a room and instantly feel everyone's energy. If you've ever looked at the state of the world and felt a fire in your belly that says, we can do so much better, then listen very closely. You are one of the ones we've been waiting for. We call you light workers, star seeds, earth angels, weight showers. The label doesn't matter. What matters is you volunteered before you were even born to be here for this exact shift. And last night your assignment got fully activated. Yes. The next week might feel intense. Old fears might scream louder than ever. Doubt might try to convince you you're losing your mind. Old emotions you thought you healed might pop up like pop-up ads. That's just the old operating system running its final scan before it gets permanently archived. Don't fight it. Look it straight in the eye and say, I see you. Thank you for trying to protect me. Your services are no longer needed. Because here's the bigger picture that will blow your mind. Timelines are collapsing and merging faster than any of us have ever seen. Every possible version of your life has been running like separate movie reels. The reels where you stayed small, stayed silent, gave your power away, let fear win. Those reels are burning up right now. The reels where you rise, where you speak your truth, where you choose love over being right, where you become completely, unapologetically you. Those reels are snapping together like super magnets into one bright, undeniable path. That's why things are leaving your life at lightning speed. Jobs ending out of nowhere. Relationships changing overnight. Addictions you fought for years suddenly feeling pointless. Habits dissolving like sugar in hot tea. The universe isn't punishing you. The universe is renovating at warp speed because the new version of your life needs a clean, wide open space to land, and the most empowering truth of all. You are not just receiving this upgrade, you are broadcasting it. Every single time you choose forgiveness over resentment, every time you choose rest over burnout, every time you choose to believe in yourself even when nobody else does, you are literally raising the baseline frequency of planet Earth. Your energy right now is that powerful. So let's lock this in forever. Here are 7 simple, free, immediate practices you can start today to anchor the new frequency and step all the way into the version of you that just woke up. Step 1. Ground every single morning. Bare feet on earth. Grass, sand, or even your bedroom floor. Drink a huge glass of water with lemon or sea salt first thing. Place one hand on your heart, one on your belly. Close your eyes and say, I am here. I am safe. I am home. Do this for at least 2 minutes. Roots. Before wings, always. Step 2. Ask and obey. 4 times a day. Stop everything and ask silently, what feels most like love right now? The very first answer that flashes, no matter how small, is your upgraded intuition speaking. Take the nap. Send the voice note. Eat the salad. Say no to the thing that drains you. Trust it like you trust gravity. Step 3. Move the energy every single day. Dance alone in your living room like nobody's watching. Shake your whole body for 60 seconds like you're shaking off old skin. Walk fast and let yourself cry. Laugh or scream. Do yoga, stretch, run, jump, anything that keeps the river flowing. Stagnant energy is the only thing that can slow this down. Step 4. Feed your field only beauty for the next 10 days. 1 chapter of an uplifting book. 1 podcast that makes you feel less alone. 1 song that makes you remember magic is real. Scroll less. Look at art. Clouds, flowers, children laughing. Your new frequency is like a brand new baby. It only eats high vibe food. Step 5. Give light. With 0 expectation. Send 1 text that says, I see you, or I'm proud of you. Leave a glowing review for someone small. Business. Buy the person behind you their coffee. Hold the door and look them in the eye. With love, kindness right now is the fastest way to multiply the energy. Step 6. Practice, radical, delicious. Surrender. Every time something cancels, changes, or leaves, say out loud, thank you for the redirection. Something infinitely better is on its way. Then physically drop your shoulders, exhale, and feel your body relax. Resistance creates friction. Surrender creates rocket fuel. Step 7: Nightly Remembrance and Activation. Every single night this week, lie down, place both hands over your heart and say these words slowly, like you mean them. I release everything that is not mine to carry. I receive everything that is meant for me. I trust the divine timing of my life. I am safe to become who I came here to be. Then do this 10-minute activation. You can do it with me right now. Breathe in for 4 counts. Hold for 4. Exhale for 6. On every inhale, imagine warm, liquid golden white light pouring in through the crown of your head, filling every single cell like warm honey. On every exhale, see gray smoke leaving your mouth, carrying away anything heavy, fearful, or old. Keep breathing until your entire body feels like it's glowing and floating. Then fall asleep in that light. Keep a journal right next to your bed, because the dreams, the ideas, the synchronicities are about to go absolutely wild. Do these 7 steps for the next 7 days straight and watch your entire reality reorganize itself in ways that will leave your jaw on the floor. You were never late. You were being prepared and perfect. Divine timing. Every heartbreak taught you the depth of your own heart. Every closed door was divine protection. Every tear watered the garden you're standing in right now. This wave didn't come to scare you. It came to wake you up to the power you've always had. You are infinitely powerful. You are deeply, unconditionally loved, and the greatest love story of your life, the one between you and you, has only just begun. Drop a heart in the comments. If every cell in your body just said yes, tell me which of the 7 steps you're starting with today. Read and reply to every single comment. You are so seen. You are so held. You are so ready. We are rising together. I love you more than words. I'll see you in the light. And I'll see you very, very soon in the next video, because this is only to begin. And now, go be the miracle you came here to be.